Unlock the secret to creating eye-catching outline circles in Photoshop, perfect for everything from logos to social media graphics. First, let's grab the Ellipse tool from the toolbar. You can find it nestled among the shape tools. If you don't see it, it might be hidden under the rectangle tool. Just click and hold the icons to reveal the hidden tools and select the Ellipse tool. Now, on your canvas, hold down the Shift key while you click and drag your mouse. Holding Shift is crucial. It constrains the shape to a perfect circle. Let go of the mouse button when you have your desired size, and then release Shift. You'll notice we've created a shape layer, and by default, it has a solid fill color. We want an unfilled circle, so in the Properties panel, locate the Fill option, click on the color swatch next to Fill and select the No Color option, which looks like a red diagonal line through a white square. Instantly, the fill disappears, leaving us with just the outline now. Let's make that outline pop. Still in the Properties panel, find the Stroke section, click on the color swatch next to Stroke to choose your desired outline color. A bright red, for example, will make it stand out. To adjust how thick or thin your outline is, use the weight slider or type in a specific value. Dragging it to the right will thicken the outline, and to the left will make it thinner. Experiment to find the perfect thickness for your design. You can also control the position of the stroke relative to the circle's path. Click on the line options to center the stroke. Align it inside the path, or align it outside the path. Centered is often a good default, but explore these options for different looks. And there you have it, a perfectly unfilled circle with a customizable outline, ready to enhance your next creative project. Don't forget to save your work.